Hey, if you want to input the micro SD card into your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, all you have to do is just locate the SIM slot. So it's located on the left side when you hold your device in this portrait mode. So it's right here. There it is. Now you have to use this SIM tool. You can find it in the box. Put it in this hole. Do this gently and press on it also gently. Right now, as you can see, it jumps out. So remove it. Use your fingernails to open this SIM slot. Do this slowly to don't break anything. There we go. And now you can input your memory card like this. Now to put it back, just do this like this. And press with your finger. And as you can see, that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.